Grabe, nabudol na naman ako. Ito na kaya ang worth the hype na nakuha ko. Tara, samahan niyo ko at buksan natin kung ano ito. Hola mga ka-snack buddies, Unika here, your snack bestie, bringing you another exciting unboxing experience. Ito yung in-order ko guys. So dumating na siya sa wakas. Matagal ko na itong iniintay. So let's open this. In-order ko to guys dahil trending siya sa TikTok and ang daming nagsasabi na apakasarap daw and worth every peso daw na masispend mo dito. Kaya ngayon, titingnan natin kung totoo ba o puro hype lang. So ang in-order ko nga pala is ang mga trending snack here in TikTok. Safe na safe talaga yung parcel guys. Like, balot na balot talaga siya. Parang ayaw na nga ipakuha eh. Ala, nagunting ko ata. First item is the Bibizan dried mango candied fruit. Pero ang nakalagay dito guys, yun yung nakalagay sa shop nila ha. Pero ang nakalagay dito sa packaging is the Bibizan. Tapos dito, mango ganyumang. Ewan ko anong meaning nun. 60 grams to guys. Yan siya yung packaging. Ayan. So the next item is the 4-in-1 spicy strip snack. So ang nakalagay dito sa packaging is spicy strip, sweet and spicy snack. Weight niya to guys is 360 gram per bag. Per bag. So meaning, as you can see dito, nakabag siya. Isa-isa. Feeling ko may variety of flavor ata or I don't know. Basta yun. So, nakalagay dito, the whole network popular spicy dry tofu. Ayun. Tofu pala. So, babasahin natin yung ingredients guys if this is a halal food. Kasi hindi ako kumakain ng hindi halal. Okay? So, the ingredients are wet flour, drinking water, vegetable oil, edible salt, white sugar, chili powder, sesame spices, soybean, dietary fiber powder, food additives, food flavor. So, walang nakalagay dito kung yung mga non-halal food. So, safe tayo dito. So, ganito siya kalaki guys. Diba ang laki? Like, from my head up to my lower sa shoulder ko. Ganyan siya kalaki. Perfect to guys for those who love to eat spicy. Yung mga spicy lover. Nga pala guys, may pag-giveaway tayo. So if you wish to join, then watch this video until the end. Okay? Kasi announce ko din yung mechanics. And yeah, enjoy watching. Next item or the third item, ito talaga guys yung pinaka-excited ako. Kasi ito yung item na super hype talaga malala dito sa TikTok. So ito yung pamilya ba kayo dito guys? So this is the Chocolate 12-in-1 fruit and vegetable snack. Ganito siya kalaki. Resealable siya. Ayan. Pupunitin mo lang tong app na to. Tapos pag mo naubos agad kainin, pwede mo siyang isil. Ganon. And the last but not the least is this chocolate roasted and unsalted trail mix, healthy dry roasted, not fried, whole kernel, delicious and crunch. So, ang weight nito guys is 400 grams. So, this is a mixed nuts. So, madami siyang nuts guys. There are walnuts, merong red raisin, black currant, pumpkin, seeds, almond kernels, cashew, dried cranberries, and many more. So, nandito siya sa loob guys. Ayan. Ayan, makikita natin kasi it's transparent. So, this, ang laki niya guys. Ayan o. Kasing laki na niya ng mukha ko. So, ayan guys. Ito yung binili ko. This is worth 333 pesos for 4 items. So, I'm so excited to try this. Please comment which one na uunahin kong i-try. Okay? Mag-taste test tayo in a separate video. Ayun guys. Ay nga pala guys, diba I said earlier that we'll be having our first ever giveaway. So eto na. Ito lang yung gawin nyo guys. Follow me in all my social media accounts to get notified once I officially announce the giveaway and the giveaway mechanics. And also, like and share this video if you are interested to join. Kung gusto nyong subukan ang lahat ng pinabili ko, this one. If you wish to buy the snacks that I ordered, just click the yellow basket. But kung gusto nyo mas makalas and makakuha ng free shipping, then pumunta kayo sa FB page ko or sa YouTube channel ko. Andun sa description and sa comment section ng Facebook at saka YouTube ko, dun makaka-free shipping kayo and mas makakalas kayo. Ayan guys, goodbye!